Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we'll see exercise 5.4, 7 sum and 10 sum. If you want to see our other videos, please click the right button at the top. Now we'll get into the sums. So 7 sum exercise 5.4, exercise 5.4, 7 sum, that y equal to root of e power root x. Y equal to root of e power root x, where x is greater than 0. Now let me take this to be my equation 1. The formula that I am going to use here is derivative of e power x is e power x. We all know that. Now what will be the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now why the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x? Because root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. Now according to the x power n formula, derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, right? So root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. So if I differentiate this with the help of this formula, I'll get 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. If I bring this to the denominator, the power, this sign of the power will change and it will become plus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but root x, right? So 1 by 2 root x. So that's why the derivative of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. You can remember that as a formula itself now. Okay, so the derivative of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So these are the two formulas that I am going to use here. Now if I differentiate this, as usual I get dy by dx equal to right hand side root of x derivative. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Root y 1 by 2 root y. Root of some theta 1 by 2 root theta. So root of whatever inside that will come here. So what is inside here? Root e power root x. So 1 by 2 root of e power root x. E power root x. Now I have to differentiate that circled part. I have to differentiate e power root x now. E power x is e power x. E power y is e power y. E power root x is e power root x. Now I have to differentiate that root x now. So the derivative of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Now dy by dx equal to, what I can do? I can write it as e power root x by 2 into 2 will become 4 root x into, I'll write this first, root x into root of e power root x. We all know that root x into root y I can write it as root of x into y. So root of x into root of this, I can write root of this, or I can write it as dy by dx equal to e power root x divided by e power root x divided by 4 into whole root of x into e power root x. So with the help of this formula I am writing it. Root of something into root of something, root of this into this. So x into e power root x. So this will be my dy by dx. Right. Now we'll get into the next sum. There is a 10th sum, cos of log x plus e power x. The 5.4, 10th sum, y equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Cos of log x plus e power x, where x is greater than 0. Let me take this to be my equation 1. Now if I differentiate this, what I will be getting? What are the formulas I am going to use here? I am going to use derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of e power x is e power x itself. Right, I am going to use these three formulas in the sum. So left hand side, if I differentiate, you get dy by dx equal to right hand side cos of x is minus sin x, cos y is minus sin y. So cos of anything, whatever is there, we'll write it here. So cos of this entire term, so minus sin of that entire term, log x plus e power x, log x plus e power x. So this part over. Now this circled part I have to differentiate. Derivative of log x is nothing but 1 by x plus derivative of e power x is nothing but Derivative of e power x is nothing but e power x. Now what I can do, I can take LCM like this. So dy by dx equal to minus sine of log x plus e power x into, what I'll be getting? I'll be 1 plus x into e power x by x. So what I can do? I can simplify, I can put it together and I can write it as dy by dx equal to minus sine of log x plus e power x, log x plus e power x into 1 plus x into e power x into e power x, the whole divided by x. So this will be my dy by dx minus sine of log x plus e power x into 1 plus x e power x, the whole divided by x. So I don't have space, instead of writing it here, I am writing it here, right? So that's it. This is my dy by dx, right? So if you have any doubts in these two problems, you can comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click that like button, share with your friends and subscribe. And to get our regular notification, don't forget to turn on the bell button. Thank you.